In this video we will be unboxing this soldering iron that has just came from Flipkart, and a review of this soldering iron will be posted in a later video. And in this video we will just unbox it, and we'll see what's inside the package they have sent us. It is 80-watt LCD digital temperature controlled soldering iron with a pointed tip, and you can see that no Flipkart branding in the package. So we'll be cut this up and we'll see what's inside the package. So you can see this is the soldering iron sent inside this package. Where to open this, I don't know. I think it is to be cut down from. Seeing this soldering iron, you can see this is the plug and this is the soldering iron, the digital temperature controlled soldering iron. So that's all for this video, and this its review and time to take the melt the solder will be shown in a later video. So thank you, goodbye, take care.